Introducing the stunning 2023 Volkswagen TAIGO 1.0TSI 110B horsepower, styled with rear view camera in sleek grey. This car is loaded with features for your comfort and safety, including ambient lighting, cruise control, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and so much more. With a spacious interior complete with luxury trim and practical storage solutions, this car is perfect for any journey. Plus, with a chrome package and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.